like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
Hey y'all, it's Spice. Welcome back to my channel. I know that was pitiful, but my voice is hoarse, so bear with me. And if you hear a sound, that's the fans. I do live in Atlanta, so you know it's hot out here. So I'm gonna keep that running. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a luxury unboxing. I did a bit of a shopping spree for my trip to Vegas, which should be coming up shortly. That should be the next video uploaded, so it's coming. But in this video, I'm just gonna take you guys through everything I got. Of course, everything is going to be linked in the description below. And just because you guys are my spicy nuggets, y'all my followers, like we're so close, we're like this. Like I'm literally going to let you guys in on a little secret, okay? I got the plug, like I got the connect for all the latest designer items. I do get them for a percentage off. I do work with a stylist out here that's based in Atlanta. So if you guys are interested, definitely hit me up. All my social media is in the description. So wherever you guys have a page, a social media page, find me there and let me know. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I wanted to start out with the piece I was the most excited about, and it is the Celine Triomphe shoulder bag, which originally retails for 2,950 USD plus tax. It comes in the traditional Triomphe canvas, and I got mine in white. I'm just going to quickly give you guys the specs on the bag. So it's going to be 8 by 4 inches, and then it's also going to be 2 inches deep. So it's not a lot of room to hold a lot of things in there, but nevertheless it's super cute. So this bag is lined with lambskin. It also is a shoulder carry bag. Look at the gold details on this purse. Look at the gold finishing. Like, I cannot believe how good this looks. So of course we have the metallic closure in the front, which is pretty annoying to open. Then we have the adjustable strap, which has a drop of 8 inches. So it's not really that long, but it'll do. I feel like it's basically waist length. And it also comes with a small pocket on the inside. So overall, it's so cute. Next, I want to get into these shades I picked up. You guys know I'm extra, so if I get the bag, I gotta get the shades to match. It's these Celine cat eye shades. I got them in the color Dark Havana, which is basically like a tortoise kind of pattern. So these shades retail for $440 plus tax. And the specs on these are 51 millimeters. So the little details that they have are the 3 dots at the side, which would be the screws. They have the Celine name on the inside and the outer on each of the glasses stems, which I think is really cute. And of course it comes with a case and a cleaning cloth. Here I just want to show you guys close up with flash how good these look. Another pickup that I'm super excited on receiving are these Hermes sandals. So these are the Oron sandals that you guys have basically seen everywhere. And this is my first Hermes purchase. So yes, I popped my Hermes cherry. Everyone clap for me. So let's get into it. I picked up these sandals that retail for around $660 plus tax. I just want to say the gift box and everything that came with it is like, yeah, you're spending money and you're gonna get your money's worth. Each sandal comes with its own dust bag, and look at that. I'm lost for words. I don't even know what to say. These sandals are so cute. I feel like they're made so well, like they're perfectly shaped for your foot. I went ahead and picked them up in the color gray. On the website, it's like a Arctic color or something like that. I'm gonna put the link down below, but I just want to show you guys these on my feet. I feel like other than the fact that you have to break them in before they get kind of comfortable, I am loving these sandals, y'all. Okay, so last but not least, I did go ahead and pick up a Louis Vuitton monogram toiletry pouch. This bag does retail for about $1,070 plus tax. So I think this bag is pretty cute. It's not practical. It doesn't have any pockets inside. It doesn't have any straps. I feel like I should have gone with the one that had the chain. So maybe I'll switch that out. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah. Okay, so that's everything that I purchased. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed everything I picked up. If you made it this far, clearly you're feeling your girl, and I'm feeling you too. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And make sure you check out shopsintimacy.com for the cutest, most comfortable lingerie. And I'll catch you guys next week. Later. Move, Nana, move, Nana, move, Nana,
get out. Get.
Yeah, my video went out, but like I was saying, and make sure you check out shopsintimacy.com for the most and make it